If you want to know how to keep your massage clients coming back to your business again and again and again, then steal my 5-step rebooking process. Number 1, you're going to check in with them. So this could look like right after your treatment, you're going to say, how would you rate your session? Or how are you feeling after your session? And you should compare this to what they said during your intake process. Step 2 is going to be to educate them, but don't use a lot of anatomical terms and confuse them because they just had a massage. So tell them what they can work on. Step 3, you're going to create a treatment plan. So the treatment plan lets you and your client know what you're going to be working on for their following sessions. It encourages them to rebook their session, and it lets them know what they can expect to do when they're at home waiting for their next session. Step 4 is the most important step. If you don't do any of the other steps, do this one. Now I want you to lead the invitation. So this looks like inviting them back to your practice and being confident when you invite them back. I've gotten massages before where the massage therapist doesn't even ask me if I want to book my next session. So make sure you do this and do it confidently and let them know the benefits of booking their next session. Step 5, I want you to leverage technology. So this can look like sending them follow-up emails, text messages after their session to remind them to leave a review and book their next one. Extra credit if you can automate your emails and text messages after the session. Follow me for more tips.